Imagine a device so small it fits in your jacket pocket, yet so powerful it rivals the laptop on your desk. For years, Apple fans have been caught in a love-hate relationship with the iPad mini. We love the size, but we've always felt like Apple was holding something back. Well, that's about to change. We are standing on the edge of the biggest transition in the history of compact tablets. The iPad mini 8 isn't just a minor refresh, it's the Pro Mini we have been begging for since 2012. Think about why the iPad mini exists. It's for the pilots who need a digital cockpit, the doctors who need a portable chart, the gamers who want a console in their hands, and the readers who want a digital book that doesn't weigh them down. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But for too long, we've dealt with LCD screens and chips that were always one step behind the flagship iPhones. Not anymore. The leaks coming out of Cupertino and the supply chain in Asia are painting a picture of a device that is going to disrupt the entire iPad lineup. The headline feature, the one thing that will make you want to throw your current iPad mini 7 in a drawer, is the display. We are finally moving to OLED. But this isn't just any OLED. This is a custom-engineered panel designed to solve the jelly scrolling issues of the past and provide the deepest blacks and most vibrant colors ever seen on a small screen. When you see a movie or a high-end game on an 8.5-inch OLED display, there is no going back. It's like seeing the world in high definition for the first time after wearing dirty glasses. But Apple isn't just stopping at the screen. Under the hood, the iPad mini 8 is rumored to pack the A18 Pro chip. Let that sink in for a second. This is the same silicon expected to power the flagship iPhone 17 Pro. We're talking about 3-nanometer architecture that pushes the boundaries of what's physically possible. The jump in GPU performance alone is expected to be over 60%. This means AAA gaming, heavy video editing in DaVinci Resolve, and complex 3D modeling are no longer pro-only tasks. The Mini is becoming a pocket-sized workstation. And then there's the design. Apple is reportedly experimenting with something truly futuristic, a vibration-based speaker system. By removing the traditional speaker grills, they are making the iPad mini 8 more water-resistant than ever before. Imagine a tablet that can survive a heavy splash or even a quick dip without breaking a sweat. It's a design language that screams durability and sleekness. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about a 2026 release when I can buy a tablet today? The answer is simple: longevity. In the tech world, we often see incremental updates, a slightly faster chip here, a new color there. But every few years, there's a leap year. The iPad mini 8 is that leap. It's the device that will stay relevant for the next 5 to 7 years. With 12 gigabytes of RAM being rumored to support the next generation of Apple Intelligence, this device isn't just a tablet. It's an AI companion that learns your habits, manages your workflow, and anticipates your needs. Let's talk about the competition for a moment. Samsung and Google have tried to capture the small tablet market, but they always compromise on the software or the build quality. Apple knows they have a monopoly on the high-end small tablet niche, and with the Mini 8, they are slamming the door shut on everyone else. They are creating a device that has no real rivals. But with all this power comes a question of price. Quality like this doesn't come cheap. There are rumors of a potential price hike.